Hello, it's Nat from Imperial Wealth here. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at everything Dogecoin and Twitter and Elon Musk related. And I'm also going to show you, if you didn't know, how to mine Dogecoin, if that is a cryptocurrency that you're interested in. Stick around, we'll have a look at that right now. So I logged on to my Twitter this morning and I saw the familiar Shiba Inu looking dog there instead of the Twitter logo. So I was wondering, would that have an effect on Dogecoin's price? And of course it did, because the world of crypto is crazy. So I think what's happened is that Elon Musk has done that as a late April Fool's joke, according to one article that I found anyway. So the world of crypto was relatively quiet today. However, if we look down at the number 7 cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, for which Elon Musk has become the unofficial CEO of that cryptocurrency, as he's become a developer of it and a large stakeholder in the coin and wants to use it as a payment system eventually on Twitter. So you can see here that in the last 7 days, it's pumped an astronomical 37%, and just in the last 24 hours, 27.7%. So good news for the Dogecoin holders. So according to The Guardian, Twitter changed its logo to Dogecoin cryptocurrency image as an apparent late April Fool's Day gag. On Monday morning in US time, users noticed that the bluebird on Twitter's homepage load screen had been replaced with the Shiba Inu. So let's have a look what Elon Musk has to actually say for himself. I see, this was a bet. So obviously early on, Elon Musk was talking with Wall Street Bets chairman, who's a well-known crypto and stock trading personality on Twitter. They said, just buy Twitter and change the bird logo to a Doge. Haha, that would be sick, is what Elon said. So there he goes, as promised 14 hours ago. So this is obviously really good news for all the holders of Dogecoin. It also speaks to a bit of a change in the market sentiment at the moment in the world of cryptocurrency, because when things start to heat up a little bit, coins tend to pump a lot on just things as silly as rumors and jokes. Elon Musk tweeting anything about Dogecoin. During the middle of the bear market, or when it was on its decline, things like this wouldn't have much of an effect on the price. So that's good to see that the market sentiment might be switching a little bit to slightly bullish, but we will see. So you may have heard about Bitcoin mining, but if you didn't know, you can actually mine Dogecoin with hardware miners, and it can be quite profitable. Even at the current prices, it's going to be a lot more profitable now after the price has gone up so much today. So you may have seen a lot of the Imperial Wealth videos here on the YouTube channel to do with cryptocurrency education and trading. But another side of the Imperial Wealth business is that we are a major supplier of cryptocurrency mining hardware in Australia. We also host the miners at a sustainable energy farm in Europe, where you get a lot cheaper electricity than you would here in Australia, for those of you who are watching in Australia. So if you go to imperialwealth.com/crypto and then /mining, you can scroll down and have a look at the annual profitability of all the miners that we're currently offering as a hosted package. So what you can actually do is filter the coins from all, and you can select Doge. So you see that the Antminer L6 9.5 gigahashes is a profitable Dogecoin miner. So after the cost of the power, which is being charged at 12 cents per kilowatt hour and a 1.5% mining pool fee, this Antminer will give you a profit of around 6,000 Australian dollars a year. So if we have a look at the actual cost of this ASIC miner, it's around 12,500 Australian dollars. So after running this for 2 years, you will then be in the black. The typical life of these machines is 5 to 6 years. So it'll only take you 2 years to completely pay off that investment. And then the last 3, 4, possibly 5, if you're lucky, years are all pure profit. This is quite a high-end miner for Dogecoin. There are plenty of other smaller miners that are much cheaper that you can get started at home, but it's difficult to make them profitable because of the cost of electricity in Australia. Some people have messed around with doing solar power mining, but the Imperial Wealth team give you an easy hosted package where you purchase it, they ship it over to the facility, get it all set up on your behalf, and then get it running into a mining pool, and you simply pop in your address and get those profits on a weekly or fortnightly basis. So, I mean, is now a good time to be mining Dogecoin? Well, when you see so when we look at that profitability there on that unit, that's at the current price. So you could be mining it and holding onto it and not selling it as you mine it, because we can see here the historical price of Dogecoin. If we go back to the last bull run, I mean, we had a crazy peak there, blow off top, basically. So we're actually on US dollars here. It actually spiked up to 68 cents in US, which is about $1 Australian. So you can imagine that if you're mining it profitably at 7 US cents, you could hold on to it, and if we get halfway or even 30 or 40% of the way back towards its previous all-time high, that will obviously be a lot more profitable, and you could possibly pay that machine off in 6 months or a year rather than the 2 years at the current price. So that can be a really good strategy for mining cryptocurrency. You mining it when there's not much interest when there's an accumulation period, and it's almost like you're accumulating like you're doing regular buys, but when you're mining it, you're locked into this pool, so you're getting a set amount at certain time intervals. And then in the future, if the prices go way up again, your machine will obviously be really profitable. So thank you, Elon Musk, for changing the Twitter icon to the Dogecoin symbol, because in the past, Dogecoin pumps have led entire market pumps in the crypto space. So I'd be interested to see what happens over the next few weeks. If you found this content valuable, folks, make sure you do subscribe to our channel for all our future content. Drop a like, and if you want to pop a request for any future content in the comments, make sure you pop that down below, and we'll see if we can't make a future video on a topic that you request. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.